how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit app. So in order to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit app, you have to follow the simple steps. So what you have to do is you need to go and log in into your Bybit account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So while you're on this page, you have to go to your profile section, and once again go to your profile, and when you're on the profile page, that's going to take you to the next field. So here you need to go ahead and select security under it. When you select security, go to Google Authenticator and toggle the button. As soon as you do that, a verification code has been sent to the registered email address. So what you have to do is you need to enter it right on this page, and then you should be able to start with the two-step verification. So in that case, you also need to download the Authenticator from the Play Store, and when you actually install it, then you need to scan the QR code and just follow the prompt, and with that you'll have successfully set up Google Authenticator on Bybit app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.